Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Googly Trader. As this is my first video, I'll be giving you a bit of the background of the format I'll be normally doing. I'll be shooting videos directly off my phone, and that's exactly how I normally trade. I don't use the desktop unless there are really issues with my mobile app. My goal is probably the same as yours, which is to really make money consistently. And my method, which I'll be showing, is basically using simple one-leg options. I'll not be teaching basic stocks and options, so please do some self-study or go for courses which benefit you and give you a good foundation. But I'll still be explaining briefly why I do certain trades along the way as I go along. So do note that this is not a financial advice, and trade with caution, even if you find the ideas very appealing. To clearly see how I grow the account, I intentionally created a separate portfolio of a relatively small account of 30k USD. Later, you will see it in my interactive brokers account. This is still the one you're seeing right now is still in the Thinkorswim platform, which I use to analyze trades. I may consider using other accounts later on. Let's see how it goes. Of course, you can use for yourself a bigger account, bigger than 30k, of course. But for the benefits of those with smaller accounts, I hope this gives you a good starting point. Of course, the bigger, the easier for you to manage more trades. So I'll be using really the real money, and my friends, this so you know that I'll be very careful with my trades. Okay, so today is actually the fourth day of the week, fourth trading day of the week in the US, but over here at my local time is already the 18th of November. Okay, the market, as you can see right now, is still slightly down, but it has recovered pretty strongly from the opening bell. So if you look at the S&P futures in the first line here, zooming into the weekly chart, you can see that the over the last 11 months, it has been a steady bear market, but I do see signs of bottoming somewhere around October area, around here. So it has started to pick up based on the price action. And my general bias is that it has started to recover, and I'll be cautiously bullish from here on. Okay, so let's take a look at Dow Jones. Pretty much similar, I would say, but it has recovered more strongly in a V-shaped manner. Okay, for Nasdaq, let's take a look as well. Nasdaq has recovered the least, so it's just a weak recovery, but it also gives you more room for growth. Okay, for today, I'll be picking two stocks from two sectors. First will be Google, and second will be Disney. Both of these have been deeply oversold in my opinion, and my valuation for them is at least 170 and above. You might want to subscribe to subscriptions like Morningstar or Simply Walls just to easily get stock valuations. So knowing their valuations, I'll be happy to own them at the current price. But actually my strategy would be just to earn options premium of them by selling puts and not intend to be assigned to stocks. Basically, I just want to earn regular premium of the options. Once again, please understand these basic option strategies before executing them. Okay, so let me just go straight away to Google and sell the put. Okay, so you can see from my watch list, Let me go straight to Google. Yeah, here you go. Currently the price is at $98. As you can see the chart, the weekly chart here, Google has trended down all the way to the 200 SMA, which is the red line here, and it seems to have bottomed, and based on the price action it has started to recover. Okay. So I have no issue of owning the stock right away, but as explained, I'll be doing a put option, selling a put at this current price. Okay, I'll be choosing a 1 week put option, which is the 25th of November. If I scroll down the option chain, most likely I'll be picking the 98 strike price at the price of about 130. Okay, so this will give me a premium of about 1.3% over a week. That's a pretty good premium. Okay, so I will head down to Interactive Brokers account where I'll be doing the trade. Okay, this is my Interactive Brokers account. Let me go to the watch list. Okay, Google is here. Alright, go to options and spreads. Click the 25th November, 8 days from now. Right, 98 strike price. Let's sell the put. Okay, let's review the trade. Okay, you can see the asking price. Let's maybe try 135. Do a preview. Yep. Okay, let's submit. Let's see if it gets filled. Okay, it's not yet filled. Let's change the price a little. Now it has changed to 131. Let's try 130. Okay, you can see that it has filled at 130. Okay, so Google is done. Let's go back. Okay, you can see the Google here. This is the first position I have. And my cash value has actually grown from the 30K to 30.1K. So the $130 has been accounted for. Let's go back to see Disney position, or rather the Disney chart. Okay, so for Disney, the price has gone down a bit today to $91. So as you can see the chart here as well, Disney has started to so-called reach the bottom of the previous swing low. So I would say that this current price is a good area of recovery, and it looks to me this kind of like a double bottom signal. So I would be looking at the price rebounding from this point onwards. So let's look at the options chain as well. If I look at the price of over here, I'll be looking at probably 91 strike. Okay, the premium may not be as good as Google, but I think it's still decent, about 1% plus. So over just for a week, you get about 1% plus. If you do it consistently for about 4 weeks without getting assignment, I think you have a pretty good premium over time. Okay, Let's try and go to the broker account again for Disney. Okay, you can see Disney over here. Let's try and do Disney. November 25th. Order. Let's see what's the price. Let's try 125. Okay, do a preview. Okay, let's try this price. Oh, you got filled at 126 instead. Okay, so that's good. That's even a better price. Okay, so we are done here. So you can see here we have two positions open already. Disney at sold at 91 put, and Google sold at 98 put. Okay, so do note that my account size here that I've started with is 30k, and I have sufficient cash as buffer even if both of these positions get assigned early, right? So if my Disney gets assigned, I have to fork out 9.1k. If my Google gets assigned, I need to fork out 9.8k. So either way, I will have enough cash with the assignment, right? So there's no worries. But it's very unlikely as I'll be managing the puts carefully. Okay. So in essence, just today I would have collected $200 over. So you can see my cash amount here actually has already, yeah, you can see here, it's already risen $254. So I would monitor them for a week and see how it goes. Hopefully it can expire worthless for both so that I can keep a lookout for other trades. Otherwise, if the price goes down, I will just show you how I will manage it. Okay, so right, that's it. I hope over time you will see how the effects pan out and why I love this method of trading so much. Give it some time and do stay tuned for the next video. Most importantly, do remember to subscribe to my channel and let your friends know if you like what you see. Alright? So I hope you like what you see for now. And that's it. Goodbye.